Today I'm going to show you how to run literally any model on uncensored.com. So once you get into this homepage over here, this will be where you can create chat, right? So here you can choose from chat, code, document analysis, and then we have image only mode, which you'll be able to create images. You have the image studio where you can actually edit and enhance images, and then we have our video studio. Now, just for chat and code, as well as document analysis, we will have on the top left here, this little icon here, we can choose our model. So here you can choose by popularity, by provider, or by service. And you can see also that there are new models added regularly. Here you can also see that there is an accuracy percentage next to each one of them. All right, so it's like a rating. And then we have, if you want to show all of them, you'll see all of these down here. And then some of them will be censored. Now, obviously, if you are using uncensored.com, you want to not use censored models, okay? So you can see over here, the ones that do not say censored, these are uncensored. So these will literally give you everything that you ask for. Now, this goes for, as I mentioned, chat, code, and doc analysis. If you're going to image only, here you'll see top left, we'll have the different models which you can change. Again, it says censored, and the ones that are not censored, you will see that will have a no label next to it. Okay, you can also choose your aspect ratio and your resolution, and then down over here you'll see again you'll have the image only, and then on the left you can also jump into there, and here will be your list of models that you can choose from. Then we have the image studio. Here you will be able to add in your image that you'd like to enhance, and then you have your different models on the right hand side here that you can actually choose from. It also will tell you a bunch of information about each model, what it is best used for. And then if we're going to video generation, again down over here it says generate, and here standard. Here is the model that you can use and choose when you're generating video. So there we go. There's all the ways that you can switch models when you're generating different types of content.